Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add shipping fields like date, tracking number, destination, and subtotal to sales forms in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your setting in the top right corner here, click this gear icon, and then you can go to account and settings. After that, you will be in this setting page. So you can go to sales in left side menu. And then in the top, you will see sales forms content. And there will be shipping here. So it's turned off. So we're gonna turn it on. Click this edit icon here. And then you can just turn it on and click save. And it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.